During daily use, the factory Tesla armrest cover often accumulates sweat and water stains, making it look messy and harder to clean over time. It is also prone to scratches, such as from keys, bags, or other hard objects. This is our Glossy, carbon fiber style armrest protector, designed specifically for the 2024 plus Tesla Model 3 Highland and 2025 plus Model Y Juniper. Installation is simple and tool-free. Simply peel off the double-sided tape on the back, align the protector with the factory armrest, then gently press it down to secure it in place. The fit is precise, and the glossy carbon texture instantly enhances the interior style. Removing the cover is also quick and easy. It leaves no sticky residue and does not damage the factory armrest in any way. Here is how the armrest looks from different angles after installation. This product offers not only a stylish appearance, but also long-term protection against scratches and stains. If you are interested, please check the link in the description to place your order. And if this is your first time watching our video, remember to subscribe to our channel. We will continue to share more practical and high-quality accessories for Tesla owners.